The only way parents can ever influence children is to lead that life themselves. Now let's assume there's a parent who probably did not have the opportunity but would like to ensure that the children have good opportunities. In such a case, you can only be suggestive. You can place all the facts before the children and guide them as best as you can, but you cannot mold them into something that you wish them to be. They have to, you can only nurture and nourish. They grow the way they are. So number one, the only way parents can ever help their children is to lead that life themselves. That's the best way. So you practice, not preach. So if you lead that life, that in itself will convey the principles to the next generation.